Look guys, there's a lot going on today, and so this video is going to be sporadic, maybe not make a lot of sense or whatever, but it's just a lot going on. I'm out here on my own, and I'm doing a lot of things back and forth, and there's a lot of things that I'm concerned about, and just getting used to this again. Just woke up by myself. Kind of sucks. Non-alcoholic coffee. This the harnessing the power of the wind. This is what it's about. I feel much better right now. I'm in 5 feet of water under my keel. That's a bit better than 2 feet and 1.7 and 1.3 and 0.7. Regardless, you know, this is a lot better. Now we are coming up to high tide though, at 3 o'clock. It's 1:44. I think 3:30 is high tide. It's amazing how I can feel a change of wind speed of 2 knots. Like from 14 to 16 knots of wind, this thing picks up and goes that much faster. You can feel almost the G-force. I don't know if you want, it's some part of a G-force, and you can just feel it, and it pushing you along faster, and you're like, whoa, what's going on, right? And you're always looking at the gauges, right? Wondering when to reef, if you're going to reef at all, and what's going on. And of course, you know, I put my coffee cup here, and this thing dings, right? Every sound, every creak, you know, your sound is a big thing. Sound is a big thing on sailing, and you can hear you can actually, even if you're at anchor, and you can hear the wind through the shrouds, because your boat's always facing into the wind, so the wind is always coming through, and you can almost tell the wind speed. Like, you know, I'm not that good, but I'm sure there's people out there that could tell the speed of the wind just by listening through the shrouds. Now, yeah, so hearing's important, and you know what? That's one of my disabilities, is hearing. Yeah, you know what? I wear hearing aids. Yeah, I don't wear them now because of the wind noise, and it's just, you can't. But, and I don't think I'm deaf, but, you know, according to the test, I need hearing aids, and I have hearing aids. I just don't use them because that way I'll have to hear Sandy. Now, the autopilot thing had me really concerned. You know, it kind of sucks not having autopilot. But listen, with the sails up, this thing's sailing itself. Very rarely am I touching the wheel here. I mean, like, you know, I'm keeping course. I gotta adjust once in a while, but I mean, like, you know, I'm on course, man. I could do without autopilot. Now, I know what Sandy's thinking right now, and she goes, that son of a bitch, that cheap prick, he's not gonna buy a new autopilot motor if it needs one. But no, that's not the case. I will get it fixed, but you know what? It's not the end of the world. It's nothing. I don't think it's a big deal. I can deal with this. I know, Sandy, I told you I wasn't going to do it at night, but this is really cool, man. That's where I am right now, where that red triangle is. And I want to go to where that purple dot is. It's about 18 nautical miles. I'm doing 6.3. Okay, so that's what's happening. I'll be shutting it down in a bit. I got 20 miles to go before I hit Nassau. Dark clouds. I'll make it. Just get it all else. Everything's gonna be good. Let's see. Whoa! 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 Okay, baby. What is it? Probably a barracuda. Whoa! Whatever it is. How am I gonna slow this boat down? I can't. Ah! Alright, let's see what I can do here. I can't slow the boat down.